Hello traders, welcome to another video analysis of the cryptocurrency pair. Today is Monday, the 6th of August 2018, and we are going to take a short look at the Lisk to the Polish zloty pair. We are going to start our analysis on the 1 hour chart on a BitBay exchange, and where we can have two indicators here. This is the volume indicator and this is RSI indicator as well. So what do we have here is the down move to the level of the support at 1374, and as you can see, this level has been tested like a couple of times, at least 10, maybe even more times, and then we have a slight breakout to the upside. The price has hit the 38% of the Fibonacci retracement at 1435, but it still has the potential to go a little bit higher to the 50% at 1454, and then possibly even to the level of 61% Fibonacci at 1472. Right, only after this level is cleared, when it's violated and there is no more orders here, we can move higher to the swing resistance here at the level of 1530. So without this breakout higher, the price will stay in this consolidation zone here, and because the larger time frame trend is still to the downside, then the price will probably continue the larger time frame trade to the downside. So this is the most important level currently on this chart, and this is where all traders should keep their eyes on. Right, thank you very much for this video analysis. See you next time. Stick around. Bye bye.